that's kale. This is kale. That's kale. That's kale. That's kale. So we have 5 kale plants.
They look
And
like.
you can pick. Yep, that's kale. You can pick one leaf.
They look
And
like
what you want to do?
salad.
Well, okay. All right. What you want to do is you want to snap it down with your thumb. So you want to snap down. So you want to try to pick a leaf?
Edible.
You guys,
It is
you
edible.
can pick one cucumelon, okay? And we can cucumelon. So this thing is called a cucumelon, and it's called a cucumelon because it looks like a watermelon, but it tastes like a cucumber.
Anybody want this kind of dressing?
No.
Okay, anybody want this
Yeah.
kind? Okay.
No.
All right, here we go. This is
These are tiny little cucumbers. Yeah, so we call. What does it look like? If you just saw that, is it a tiny?
It looks like a watermelon.
Yeah,
Oh yeah, I was
it's like a
gonna say
watermelon.
that. It looks like a little watermelon.
Yeah, so anybody who wants to try it, we call it cute because it tastes like you take a bite and you tell me what it tastes like. Does it taste like a watermelon? Does it taste like
Cucumber.
Yeah.
I love cucumbers.
You love cucumber.